Hi, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-step lead capture form and embed it on your WordPress website using Tapform. So first things first, what is Tapform? Tapform is an easy-to-use, no-code lead capture form builder designed to help you increase your website conversions without any technical hassle. Let's start by creating our form. On the top right, click on plus icon and select Create Form. When creating your first form, you'll see three main options. You can create your form using AI, start from scratch, or, in this case, I'm going to pick one of our ready-made templates. To fit your specific use case, we've prepared a wide range of beautiful multi-step form templates designed to work for almost any business. Once you choose and select your preferred template, first thing you want to do is to name your form. Next, you can use and upload your custom logo to display on your form at the very top. You can also style your form with your own brand colors. You can do this by clicking on the left colored dot to select a color, or like in my case, I want to match it with my WordPress website colors, using color picking tool and hex value. Once that is done, we now want to enter our WordPress website domain by just copy-pasting the landing page URL from the browser. And just like that, we have created our multi-step lead capture form. On the top, we can see our uploaded logo, and on the right, you can add your quick call to action phone number if needed. You can also see your first form step as it is displayed to your visitors with all available options. On the left sidebar, you can see all your next form steps in their order, which you can easily drag across to change their order. You can also easily remove a step or create one if needed. For now, let's click on Publish and start the WordPress integration process by clicking on Embed. You can use three different installation ways: widget, standard, or custom. For the best and maximum conversion rate of your form on your website, we recommend to use our widget option. To start the installation process, click on Add to Website button. Step-by-step instructions are displayed, and we now want to click on WordPress button. You want to download and install our free WordPress plugin on your WordPress website. Once you have done that, you want to copy your Tapform form identifier by clicking Copy Code. Now go back to your WordPress website and on left, select Tapform. Paste your Tapform code and click Save Changes. Now go to your website, refresh it, and that's it. Tapform's call to action widget is now always displayed at the bottom of your screen, ready to engage and launch your multi-step form. From here on, your visitors can contact you easily while you qualify them automatically with Tapform. That's it for this now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.